I'm the body shop guy. I hate to come back here to show y'all what we're doing, but oh, get it! You come up with another project. This is good here.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
So this was a glass shop at one time, and we got
Right.
all this nasty on the floor, so it made me up.
Yeah, I made Bob a tool because he's always. Bob likes to get about a.
Yeah, if
a
I do
little
about
corner.
like 2 inches a day,
Yeah,
then
and he's like,
I've
"Boy, I feel
accomplished.
good about
I've
that."
accomplished something.
So what I did was, I went up to the Trinity building. I got his air hammer and cut the thing up and made this. So now.
So that's all fiberglass that's on the floor. That's loud. But that's all. This was
Well,
a
look how it peels
fiberglass
it up.
shop
Look
back
at-
here at one time.
Look at that.
And actually, before we got the building, this was a fiberglass shop, and
Oh, it
we
was?
used this area for fiberglass.
Yeah. So.
And it's hard to sweep the floor with. And
I figured-
over there where the glass was, oh my gosh, you should
Yeah,
have seen it was
it's
horrible.
real bad over there. I think by the year, what, 2028, we should have the
We
whole
should have it
floor
all
done.
clean,
I mean,
get it all swept nice. Yeah, we'll be good. But when you're working in I mean, this is a dirty job, but the
Yeah.
cleaner the environment you work in, the better.
It's hard to sweep this floor too.
And you can't, it doesn't
Yeah,
ever
don't
look
sweep
swept.
it. Look what you've done though. Yeah, I mean, you could just sweep the difference in the
Yeah.
floor.
Oh, when you sweep, absolutely.
And you've done this, what, in about a month's time or a couple weeks?
Couple
or-
weeks,
Yeah, so
couple minutes a day. So.
I figure a couple minutes a day, now you'll get further.
All right, so there we go.
There we go.
Oh, somebody asking if we're going to the York Street Rod Nationals. Man, I used to do, back in the day, I'd be on the road
They just had a tea bucket.
30 or 35 weeks a year.
Really?
I don't anymore. I haven't been to a show for,
They just had one this last weekend, tea bucket show somewhere I've seen on Facebook.
I don't know.
I don't know where.
I go, we do a local show here in the fall
Yeah.
in car trays and flipping. And we go there and support that. I mean, when I say we go there, I show up to just say hi to people I know. It's not all. Oh, we sponsored a valve cover race there.
Oh, I see. Did you win one? I see a trophy with a valve cover on.
Oh, I made that. We sponsored all that. So I
Oh.
put that on the trophy, and it was
Oh, okay, cool.
yeah. So and the trophy looked cool. So
Yeah.
what we did for a while every year, you didn't get to keep the trophy. Your name got to go on it. It was
Oh, it's like the Stanley Cup.
yeah.
Your name
Yeah,
goes on
exactly,
it. Okay,
exactly.
okay. But it's never yours.
Yeah, well, actually, we don't even do I think Bob does the announcing and everything. But I think the fire department now has the track that we built. So they go set it up and everything, so we don't even have to go
Well,
set
you
it
built
up.
a track?
Oh, for the valve cover races? Have
Yeah.
you not ever been to the show up there?
No, never.
Well,
Yeah,
you
I have
better-
no clue.
Yeah, and we give $100 or I don't know how much we give to whoever wins.
How many valve covers you get?
What do I have?
No.
Well, it could grow. I
I
don't
mean,
know.
like 20 people, 30?
Yeah, maybe in that neighborhood.
That's quite a
But the
bit.
way it works, if you build a valve cover,
Uh-huh.
you can't race it. You have to get someone under the age of, I don't know what the age is.
Oh, okay. Well,
And
it's
then,
kind of like not soapbox derby, but
Well, they
Cub
do
Scouts.
They do a soapbox derby there too.
Yeah,
we built
that's
a couple
big track.
cars. Yeah, we built a couple cars for that.
Oh, really?
They're all the same cars.
No, I went with a friend of mine when I was younger to Cub Scouts and Boy Scouts, and they had some ramping
Pinewood
pine
Derby.
box derby.
Yeah, well, it's kind of like that.
Same concept.
Same thing. You pull the lever and you do, and the cars go down. And,
Right,
And
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
pretty cool. Yeah, you'll need to build one for next year. And then the deal is you find a kid in there if you got, one of your own kids or whatever, because, I mean, the thing is we want to get young people involved.
see, if I was doing pine box, I'd have to core it and put some lead in that baby.
Well, yeah, I mean, whatever. It's racing, yeah, cheat or something.
Do they weigh the valve covers? Can only weigh so much, or what?
I used to make that rule and everything, but I tested them all. It doesn't make that much of a difference.
Oh, it doesn't.
It's mainly about the ball bearings.
Ball
and
bearings.
yeah, and
You have new bearings, them
and
spinner
the-
ones.
Well, and then the type of wheel you got, and
Ah.
but there's been some pretty good cars there. One of the guys that was like one of the engineer guys from Ranger, he had a car that was pretty hard to beat.
Really?
It was good. A few years ago, I was over there, and